going to the reindeer farm. It's so funny because we came here last year, the same exact week of the year, and it was so snowy and white. I didn't know what to wear because it's actually pretty warm today, like considering it's December. So I'm just here in the car. This is the nice camera, see? Ooh, nice. I'm really excited to feed some reindeer, and I am going to do it correctly this time. Last time I thought we weren't supposed to use our hands because they said that hands, they'll think that these are antlers. So I thought that they didn't want us to feed them with our hands. Whatever, I get it now. This isn't my first rodeo. Santa, and I'll tell you why. My sister told me all about him and his middle name. I'll tell you later. Like it? Yeah, girl. So fun. It went by really fast. I didn't want to talk while I was bonding with the reindeer. So now that we're finished, I'm going to shop a little bit. Okay, that was so much fun. We're in December and there was no snow at all, so it's like brown farm vibes. But yeah, oh my gosh, I just love going to see the reindeer and I fell in love. They said that Ilo is actually named after a reindeer that's in a documentary on Prime or something like that. So I'm just gonna watch and see. I assume that everyone who adopts the reindeer probably does Elsa or Sven because Frozen. So I just really thought that Ilo was a sweetie and bonded, and we have the most photos together, so super cute. I ordered some sushi to go. This camera is so heavy, but look how high quality it is. My background is really blurry, but yes. I have my tree situation and all that. I think the next video that I film will be a home decor tour, a Christmas house show extravaganza, I don't know. I got a souvenir. I wore a dress to the reindeer farm, but I wore these shorts underneath. These are period shorts, which I don't need, but I like to wear shorts under dresses, especially what if a reindeer blew the wind? I don't know. But anyway, that's why I have these house shorts on, but this is the reindeer shirt. Pretty cute. And it says this on the back. Ha ha ha, I got this in gray too, so one sec. Here it is in gray. That's great. Last year I purchased a red shirt and it wasn't as soft and nice as this one anyway, but I just don't wear red. So this is like more bang for my buck. Cost per wear will be better because I'll actually wear these. This is really soft and nice material. They were all out of crew necks. So this is what I got. I really like this material. Oh my goodness. Cutie, cutie. The shirt.